Monopoly: how to train your dragon, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to be the first to train all the different colored dragons, or to be the last one standing. Money has been replaced by fish, with the basket being worth 5. Each player starts the game with 20 fish as indicated. Separate the dragon shields by color and place them next to their matching properties. Properties are called dragon lessons, and when you purchase a lesson, it is considered claimed. Auctioning a dragon lesson starts at 1 fish. Chance and Community Chest have been replaced with Berk and Arena cards. Each player picks a character and takes their matching character card, placing it in front of them. Each character card gives its player a special ability they can use. When you land on a claimed dragon lesson you own, then you may train a dragon of that color for free. When you land on a claimed dragon lesson that another player owns, then you must pay them the lesson's tuition fee, and then you can either roll the training die or challenge their claim. You may only pick one each turn. You may not challenge a claim of a complete set. To train a dragon, roll the training die. If you roll this symbol, then you successfully train the dragon. Collect 1 dragon shield of that color and add it to your character mat. If you roll a blank, then you fail and either end your turn or you can pay 1 fish to roll again. You may pay to reroll as many times as you want. If you train a dragon of a duplicate color you've already trained, then still collect a shield and place it to the side. To challenge another player's claim, you each roll the numbered die. Then you add 1 to the value for each shield token you have, including duplicates. The player with the highest value wins. If you win, then you don't pay the other player, but instead take the dragon lesson card from them. It is now yours. Your turn then ends. If you lose, then pay them the challenge fee shown on the card and end your turn. If the values are a tie, then roll again. There is only 1 die, so you can't go to jail for doubles. The price to get out of jail is 1 fish, then roll and move like normal. Or to get out, you can roll a 6, moving but not performing the action. When you pass go, collect 2 fish. When you land on fly, you may move to any space between it and the next fly space, following the rules for that space. You can trade shields, dragon lessons, fish, and get out of jail free cards. Dragon lessons sell back to the bank for their price listed on the board. If you run out of fish, you are eliminated from the game, giving all you have to the creditor. The first player to collect at least 1 different shield in every color wins.